Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So I've tried Admiral Little Box review from my own experience, and honestly, it has been a bit of a mixed bag. When I first signed up, the main reason was cost. As a fairly new driver, my premiums were sky high, which is pretty common if you've only recently passed your test, and the Little Box offered the cheapest quote I could find compared to standard policies I was being offered elsewhere. It is a telematics policy, where they fit a black box in your car to track how well you drive, using things like GPS and motion data. In theory, safe driving should mean cheaper insurance and better ratings, which sounds appealing, especially if you're confident behind the wheel. The idea is that careful drivers are rewarded over time, so I thought it sounded fair and like a reasonable trade-off to save money. The installation itself was handled through Vodafone, and that was already frustrating from the start. Arranging dates, waiting weeks for a slot, and trying to fit it around work or daily life was more hassle than expected. To make things worse, the box actually failed after a few months, which meant more appointments, more waiting, and having to rebook maintenance all over again. Once the box was fitted, I started getting weekly or monthly feedback emails. These emails break down your driving into categories, and they scored things like speed, smoothness, and night driving. On paper, that sounds helpful, but in reality, my ratings felt inconsistent. One week, I would have 5 stars on speed, 4 stars on smoothness, and then just 1 star on night driving, even though I barely drove late at night, which made it hard to understand what I was actually doing wrong. It was annoying because you cannot see live data yourself or check detailed trip-by-trip information. You just have to trust whatever feedback they send you, without much explanation. And if you disagree with it or ask for clarification, their response is basically to drive better, without offering specific guidance on what to change or improve. At one point, I had mostly good scores across the board, but was still told my overall rating was poor, which made me nervous about whether they would increase my premium later on. That uncertainty can be stressful, especially when you're trying to budget. What I did notice is that some people seem to have no issues and get 5 out of 5 scores regularly, so maybe the system rewards certain driving habits better than others, or suits specific types of drivers more. For me, braking gently for potholes or slowing down to avoid pedestrians actually seemed to count against my smoothness score, which felt unfair because those are things you'd normally consider safe driving. The worst part is that if they decide you are not meeting their standards, they can raise your insurance mid-policy or even threaten cancellation. And if you cancel yourself, there are fees to pay. I read other reviews saying people had to pay over £100 just to get out of it, and that really put me off continuing. Continuing on the positive side, Admiral themselves were decent to deal with whenever I needed to adjust policy details or contact customer support. They were generally clear and polite, and the initial savings compared to a non-black box policy were real and noticeable. But over time, the stress of watching my scores and the lack of transparency with the data made the whole thing feel like more hassle than it was worth. After a few months, I honestly wished I had just paid the higher premium without the black box and avoided the constant monitoring. So from my own experience, Admiral Little Box can save you money up front, but you really have to drive exactly how their system wants you to, not just what feels safe or sensible to you. If you are a completely steady driver who never goes out at night, sticks to predictable routes, and doesn't mind being monitored, you might get along with it fine. But if you want peace of mind and flexibility, the constant ratings and threat of premium changes can make it more stressful than helpful. Before you go, if this video helped you understand whether Admiral Little Box is right for you, make sure to give it a quick like. It really helps the channel out. If you're new here, hit subscribe for more honest reviews and straightforward breakdowns designed to help you make smarter decisions and avoid costly mistakes. And if you've had your own experience with a black box policy, good or bad, drop a comment below. I genuinely love to hear how it worked out for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.